as the saying goes, blood is thicker than water. The people from Manipur as well as from Myanmar, they are our kids and kins, they are flesh and blood. They are our brothers and sisters. We could not betray them when they are in a difficult situation. And in fact, not only MNF, every political party, the NGOs, and even the churches, we are behind them solidly. We are unhappy about the way Biren Singh handled the situation. The whole thing is a total madness. And the long silence of the Prime Minister has left a scar on our minds. And BJP is ruling at the center as well as in Manipur. And MNF is a part of them, being a member of NEDA and NDA. So it will have adverse effect on MNF too. And regarding this Mizoram unification or whatever you call it, Greater Mizoram or whatever you call it, we all are behind this. It is the dream of the Mizos that one day, a day will come when all the Mizo peoples divided due to the British policy of divide and rule, divided elsewhere, will be under a single administrative unit. One day will come. This is our dream. We are looking forward. And this is not the private property of MNF alone. It is the dream of all the Mizos. So the vision and dream of my party is there will come one day will come, when all the Mizo people were put under one administrative unit. This is our vision. Regarding the Greater Mizoram, I don't want to use Greater Mizoram. I would like to prefer to use reunification of Mizo people.
Yes.
Under Article 3 of the Indian Constitution, this is possible. So Article 3 has already provided the solution of this problem. This Article 3 has been used so many times. New states, new union territories were born, and these people are brothers and sisters who are living in Manipur. If they decided to join us, we are most welcome. It will not be a Greater Mizoram, but it will be a reunification.
Mizoram as PM Sarkara din nu poa neda hovin kan unaw te an la soi sa chun zom zela ni chuan ral khata tanga kut kuang ku at hir ngot kan tlin ve pek lowang